This is the price list page, which can be found in the bid sheet estimate template in the online content for this title. And this page is full of all of the things that make the formulas in the document work. So in this panel, there is, just like everywhere else, some blue boxes of the items that you should be looking at changing rather than the white items, which you should be careful about changing. You shouldn't do too much alteration in here without knowing how those VLOOKUPs and other formulas work. However, you can add things to each of these named ranges in order to make sure that the formulas will work properly for you. So this general inventory area, you can add items in the bottom, or you can insert cells in between. When you insert cells into the named range, be careful to highlight all the way across the named range, right click and insert, and then make sure to shift the cells down, not the entire row. The same if you delete something on this page because you don't want the row to affect all of the other named ranges which are used in other formulas. You'll effectively change quite a bit the actual items that you're using and the actual paint that you're using with the cost via the actual vendors that you're using. The color names are populated by the Show Color tab, and so you don't want to alter that here on this price list sheet. This is just used to help do some back-end calculations for that page. Consistency and production rate are the ones you're probably going to need to change the most immediately, and try and settle that into making your sheet as accurate as possible. Because I work with an academic setting a lot, these numbers may be a lot smaller than what your professional artists can output, and you as an individual want to make that as accurate as possible if you're bidding for your own shows. The same with the amount of coverage that you get from your paint. If you use a different brand of paint or water it down more or like to work with it more transparent, these numbers can vary greatly.